Black Nape Oriole. Here are some facts about the black-naped oriole. Scientific name. The black-naped oriole is scientifically known as Oriolus chinensis. Appearance. It has striking yellow plumage with a black patch extending from its nape to its upper back, giving it its name. It also has black wings with white wing bars and a distinctive black eye stripe. Habitat. These orioles are commonly found in various habitats including forests, woodlands, gardens, and urban areas across Asia, from India and Sri Lanka to Southeast Asia and parts of China and Japan. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, insects, and nectar. They are known to feed on a variety of fruits including berries and figs, and they also catch insects in flight or glean them from foliage. Behavior. Black-naped orioles are often seen foraging in the canopy of trees, where they are agile and acrobatic. They are also known for their melodious calls, which include whistles, warbles, and mimicry of other bird species. Breeding. During the breeding season, which varies across their range, they construct a cup-shaped nest using grass, leaves, and other plant materials. The female typically lays 2 to 4 eggs, which are incubated by both parents. Migration. While some populations may undertake seasonal movements, black-naped orioles are generally considered sedentary birds, staying in their range year-round. Conservation. They are not considered globally threatened, although habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation and urbanization can impact their populations locally.